Have you ever wondered if a beloved classic can truly be revived without its original magic? Um, as whispers of a sequel to the Goonies circulate, uh, excitement mingles with skepticism. Before diving into this nostalgic journey, a gentle reminder, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. The original Goonies, directed by Richard Donner, captured hearts with its adventurous spirit and unforgettable characters. Um, um, Set in the quaint neighborhood of the Goondocks in Oregon, a group of kids embarks on a treasure hunt to save their homes from foreclosure. Their quest leads them to the legendary One-Eyed Willie's hidden fortune, a tale that has resonated for over 4 decades. However, the prospect of the Goonies 2 feels incomplete without Donner's guiding hand. Uh, his legacy as a filmmaker is undeniable, with classics like Superman and The Omen under his belt, and Donner's unique ability to connect with child actors and draw out authentic performances was pivotal to the original film's success. Uh, um, his passing in 2021 leaves a void that's hard to fill. Many from the original cast share this sentiment. Corey Feldman, who played Mouth, uh, expressed that a sequel would struggle to capture the original's essence without Donner. He reminisced about the camaraderie and creativity that flourished under Donner's direction. Ke Huy Quan, known for his role as Data, echoed these thoughts, noting that without the original captain at the helm, navigating a sequel would be challenging. While Chris Columbus is reportedly working on a script outline, the uncertainty surrounding the project raises questions. Will the original characters return? Can the same chemistry be recaptured? The charm of the original film, with its unique blend of adventure and friendship, is a tough act to follow as we ponder the future of the Goonies. It's essential to remember that not every classic needs a sequel. The original film holds special place in cinematic history, and sometimes it's best to let the past remain untouched. After all, trying to recreate that magic might just lead to a treasure hunt of disappointment. And speaking of treasure, why did the parrot go to school? To improve his articulation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,